Today, we're diving into a car that's not only iconic, but also delivers a fun driving experience: the Volkswagen Beetle. If you're looking for a stylish, affordable, and exciting ride, the Beetle just might be for you. The Beetle's design is timeless, those classic curves instantly recognizable. Inside, you get a blend of retro charm with modern features. There's a 6.5-inch touchscreen, smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and surprisingly spacious seating for a compact car. So, how does it drive? The Beetle is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 174 horsepower. It's zippy and fun to drive, especially on twisty roads, making it more than just a stylish city car. The Beetle's small size and nimble handling also make it easy to park and maneuver in tight spaces. When compared to competitors like the Mini Cooper or Fiat 500, the Beetle stands out for its balance of affordability and performance. While the Mini offers sharper handling, the Beetle is more budget-friendly and still provides plenty of driving excitement. Is it expensive to maintain? The Beetle's maintenance costs are generally lower than some luxury competitors like the Mini, thanks to Volkswagen's reliability and easy-to-find parts. The Volkswagen Beetle is a perfect blend of affordability, style, and driving excitement. It's a fun car with a lot of character, ideal for those who want something unique without breaking the bank. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.